In this video, we're going to calculate speed using the formula distance equals speed multiplied by time. So let's write out what information we have. A spaceship flies 18,600 miles. Well, so that's my distance. In 3 hours and 6 minutes. It's 3 hours, 6 minutes. And I've been asked to work out speed. So we cannot put in time as hours and minutes. It must go into decimal hours. So this is going to be 3 plus 6 over 60. 3 plus 6 over 60, 3.1 hours. So now we have all the information we need. Let's write out our formula. Distance is equal to speed multiplied by time. Sub in our values. D is 18,600 is equal to S. Well, we don't know what S is. That's what we've been asked to work out. And time as decimal time is 3.1. So rewriting that right-hand side, speed, or S times 3.1 is the same as saying 3.1 S. So to get S on its own, to solve for S, we divide both sides by the number in front of S, which in this case is 3.1. And that gives us that S is 6,000, and we've got to work out its units. Well, as we're doing miles an hour, it'll be miles per hour. So the answer is 6,000 miles per hour.